Hi guys, welcome back to Tech with TJ. Today I got another episode of TJ Talks Tech. I'm gonna switch it up a little bit for the next couple ones to see if I like the format. I'm gonna do news and then maybe some tech deals. When I can't find a bunch of news like today, there's not really anything interesting that's going on, I guess, really, in my opinion. So let's get into it. All right, so the first article I have for you guys today is Samsung. They just, they have their new phones out, but they increase the price. So the base model starting at 900, it's up about 5%, let's say, from the last model. And then the S26 Plus is up 10% in price. So the prices, though, for the Ultra were not changed, which is kind of weird. So I'm guessing they just want you to get the Ultra and not even look at the base model ones, I guess, anymore. But yeah, it's all just because of the chips from AI and the memory chips, the storage chips. Just if any tech company has chips, the AI is going to take it over. It's kind of where we're at in technology. Same thing for this. This is PlayStation. They also increased their prices. As you can see here, I'm not going to read all this, but they're changing the prices from, I think they were like $500 to now they're $649. $599 and $900, which I guess the PS5 and the digital edition, those are kind of, that's still, yeah, you get a console range, but for $900, that's almost to the point where you might say, hey, save a extra 100 or 200 and get a PC at that point, because that's just crazy to be charging $900 for a console that's locked down to a specific store. And that goes for Xbox too. I'm not just dogging on PlayStation. If it's $900, I would say save up for a PC. Even in today's market, like I said, you can probably get a solid PC. I'm not talking the best of best, but able to play 1440 1080 at 60 frames or higher. And a PlayStation can do that, but you'll get so much more with a PC and so much more use out of it. I thought I'd add this one because, it mainly pertains to me, I guess, kind of. Elegoo is making the Centauri Carbon 1, which is what I have, the Canvas system. So for those that don't know, the Canvas system is a multicolor that Elegoo has for their Centauri Carbon 2. I'm trying to find, here we go. So as you can see, it has 4 spool holders. Honestly, it's just the same as the Centauri Carbon 2 now. It has the Canvas system is what they're calling it, and it'll allow you to print in multicolor. And I'm very excited about this because that's actually why I bought the Centauri Carbon. Not that I use multicolor a lot, but it's definitely a good feature to have. But yeah, that's pretty much all I had for you guys today on the news-wise. Like I said, it's same thing, as last week, AI taking over. So I got some good deals for you guys. The first one here is Asus. If you got a new PC or whatever, it's on a good sale right now. I've noticed that with these prices, monitors have been on sale a lot more recently, probably because they can't put sales on any of the PC parts. So this is 31 and a half, let's call it 32 inches, 1440p, 180 hertz. But anyways, it's by Asus, so it's going to be a good company. 3-year warranty out of the box, so that's pretty cool. Here's another one if you want to, step up your game a little bit for $550, also by Asus. They just happen to have good sales on Amazon right now. Like I said, these are right now, so I don't know when the limited time deal ends and all that, so don't come after me if you get it too late. It's 27 inches, it's OLED, 1440p, 240 hertz. So this is a really, really good monitor. At 27 inches, 4K is one of those things where some people swear by it, other people say 1440p is fine. My opinion, I think 1440p is fine. You won't really, you'll tell a difference maybe when you watch maybe movies, things like that, but in terms of gaming wise, 1440p will give you the most out of your PC because it's not pushing hard to output as 4K. So then you get OLED on top of that, so the picture's going to look great. And then, like I said, it's by Asus, so it's a well-known company. It's not one of those kind of shady brands that you might see. if you don't have a laptop or like a gaming laptop or gaming PC, this is a pretty decent sale that I saw. I'm not going to tell you it's the best sale in the world, but for right now, I would say that this is definitely something to look at. It's by MSI, 240 hertz. It's got the Ryzen 9, so really good CPU, a 5060, and 16 gigs of RAM with 1 terabyte of storage. So the 5060, that'll get you decent gaming. I know online people kind of make fun of it and stuff, but it's solid for the price of it. You'll not do like 4K 240, I mean it's 1080p, 1440, but you'll get the most out of it. 16 gigs of DDR5. That's right now that's worth $1,000 pretty much. So, and then you got a terabyte SSD, so you can store your games. Wi-Fi 6E, USB-C, and then Windows 11 of course. And it looks pretty I mean, it looks gaming, like a gaming laptop, but not as gamerish, I guess. I've seen a lot worse. And like I said, the price of this right now, it was hard to find a good deal on like a gaming laptop or PC. So this is kind of, I would say like I said, this would be a solid pickup. The MX Master 3S. If you watched my last video where I talked about what I regret buying and what I, recommend, I highly recommend this mouse. They do have the MX Master 4, but I would say just go with the 3 because from what I can tell, the design changed and stuff, but the overall function stayed the same, if that makes sense. And it's a really good mouse, and it's $90, kind of expensive. But if you're going to be using, a mouse every single day, you might as well get, treat yourself to something nice. I guess treating yourself to something nice, here's the Edifier speakers. These are, I haven't personally had these, but I might get a pair here in the next like month and a half, because I really want a good desktop speakers, and these are really really good. 4.6 2,000 reviews. They have a sub outline. So for those that don't know, I guess you can buy your own sub and then just hook it up. It doesn't have to be like Edifier specific. Although I would probably recommend getting an Edifier one just so you know that they will work. But yeah, these are really good studio monitors and they'll sound amazing. And like I said, they're 24% off. Alright, so yeah, that's all that I have for you guys today. Hopefully you guys like this new format that I'm trying to do, where I kind of go over some deals and then I go over some news then deals to kind of even it out. I kind of thought that me talking about the news was boring, to be honest with you, and so I'm trying to spice it up a little bit. So let me know down in the comments if you like this new format. Also, check out other videos on my channel, and if you guys of course like it, please hit subscribe, the like, and like I said, please comment down below. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.